All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar. We have Willie Nelson, good old Willie here, with the cool song called The Border. All right, so yeah, good vibes here in this song, the western, the border, everything in that. So let's take a look at this one. No need for any capo, and we have pretty simple chords and a strumming pattern that is very common. So let's dive into the chords first. We have 5 chords. We're gonna start with the A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have F, it's a bar chord. We place the bar here on the first fret over all strings, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have the C as well. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then finally we have the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so let's start from the beginning here with the verse. We have the A minor, that's the first chord, and we need to learn the strumming pattern here. So it's a very common one, and it's down, down, up, down, up. All right, so down, down, up, down, up. A couple rounds. All right, so let's start this verse here, and we're gonna go A minor 4 string rounds, G 2 string rounds, and back to A minor 2 string rounds. So it both starts and ends with A minor. So A minor 4, G2, and A minor 2, like this. Then G2 and A minor 2. Next round is A minor 4, and so on. All right, so that's the verse play. Over to chorus, it will be F 2 string rounds, C 2 string rounds, back to F 2 string rounds, then G 2 string rounds, and then you have A minor 1 string round plus 1 down and the pause. All right, so F2, C2, F2, G2, then A minor 1 and 1 extra down with the pause, and that extra down is where it sings if it's just the border, they say, or something like that. So that is the chords. Then after that, later in the song, we have a bridge part. You're gonna play the E minor 1 and A minor 1 string round. All right, you play that back and forth for 3 rounds. So E minor 1, A minor 1, E minor 1, A minor, E minor, A minor. And then after that, final third A minor round there, you're gonna play F for 3 string rounds. That's the bridge part. Then you go back to play an instrumental part, which is the verse play, and just fades out with that. And that pretty much covers Willie Nelson's The Border. Pretty easy chords, no need for any capo. It's a very beginner friendly. We have 1 bar chord only, good to have and throw that in sometimes. But anyway, easy song, so give it a try. And if you enjoy this tutorial, please feel free to support me here. Click that like or subscribe to this channel. Until next time, play tuned.